So I'm gonna find out how good this touchless car wash is right over here. It's gonna be a Laserwash model, and I'm gonna test it out with my car. It's pretty dirty right now. You can see, we're gonna see the before and after and see how well it does. So that's just a quick walk around. And throw this up here. Okay, so I just purchased the Ultimate Wash, which is the $14 option, and I want to see how well that does. So that's everything you can get in this car wash. Go get that zoom just a little bit further, and see if I can angle this a little bit better. Right now it's just doing a it says cleaning, so I'm assuming that's a light soap and a rinse. So yeah, this is just a rinse cycle so far, and you know, this whole car wash, I think it takes about 5 minutes, something like that. It's a good amount of time. We'll see. You can kind of see, it's easier to tell on the back window, but I actually have some leaks on these doors, because these are the frameless windows on the Subaru, and they kind of leave that little gap right there. You can tell. And sometimes when the car wash is going, you'll see some water kind of come through that little crack there, because it kind of doesn't seal super well. We're getting into the tricolor foam, which I believe is the polishing cycle, if you will. So this one, I actually read that these soaps are super acidic. Like these are actually 3 different types of soap. It's not just 3 different colors on the foam, and you shouldn't let that sit on your paint. I mean, obviously you should never let soap sit on your car paint because it's not good for it, but apparently these will just completely eat away at your paint if you don't get it completely washed off, which is kind of interesting. I believe this is the other stage of polishing. Just kind of wipe some of this away really quick. You can see right here you've got cleaning, overglow polishing, Rain-X, spot-free rinse, air drying, and then that's it. So we're about halfway through. That's the Rain-X right there. I don't actually know how diluted that is, because I don't think it does a whole lot. Because I actually have Rain-X applied to my windows anyway, and it doesn't really matter if they do it in the car wash or not. Here you go with that actual laser wash. And for those of you who follow like my channel on this car, I actually found the other piece of wood trim for this center stack. So there's supposed to be this air vent surround in wood and the radio surround, and then obviously, you know, your shifter and the buttons for the windows. And I have this wood grain wheel in here too, but yeah. Go ahead and set that back up there so that way when I pull out, I don't have to hold the phone. Go check out, see how well this car wash did at actually cleaning my car, because it was pretty dirty after the flooding we've had here lately. So I'm just gonna pull over right here. We'll check it out. Looks like I did a good job. You can see there's a little bit in here because my fog lights are actually filling up with water because I got a hole right there. You can see that. This one's got some shit in it too, probably. See where it didn't actually completely clean right here because you got soap on the edge, which I'm not happy about. You got some of this dirt. But again, this was super dirty. The insides of the door sills are probably not much better. I have to finish that up when I get home. But overall, $14 wash, not bad. I think there was a wax in there too, so all in all, pretty good deal. So yeah, thanks for watching.